Mrs. Gadi encourages her students to brainstorm. Okay, brainstorm, to be internally motivated, and to be flexible and playful in their thinking. She's also careful that she does not become over-controlling, of her students. Mrs. Gadi is fostering what in her classroom? Would it be letter A, creativity, letter B, decision-making, letter C, collaboration, or letter D, dependence? Of course, here, ang tumpak na choice po natin is letter A. This is creativity, di ba? Flexibility, playfulness. Mag-isip kayo. Kahit ano pa yung isip nyo, okay lang yan. Tatanggapin ko yan, di ba? Yan yung sabi niya, not controlling or not over-controlling. Brainstorm, okay? Be flexible, be playful. This is letter A, creativity po ang kanyang gustong makita sa kanyang estudyante. No? Hindi po yung pagde-decide, hindi po collaboration, at hindi din po dependence. No? So, halos magkakaparehas ito, di ba? When they collab, they also depend on each other. No? Hindi din naman decision-making. Remember, when you say brainstorming, you are getting as many ideas as you can. Okay? At sabi dito, hindi siya over-controlling. No? Sinahayaan niya yung mga estudyante niya kung ano yung gusto nila. Because of that, the students become creative.